In this exciting tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make a pattern for this trendy, beautiful balloon bubble dress with very easy steps. So the first thing you have to know about this pattern is that we need your waist circumference. We need to find the radius of your waist using the formula waist circumference divided by 6.28, because we're going to make use of a full circle skirt. However, this full circle skirt is not going to have a lining, so we're going to multiply the full length of the skirt by 2. So first we calculate the radius using this formula waist circumference divided by 6.28. Then you have to determine how long you want your skirt to be. And for example, if you want your skirt to be 20 inches long, you multiply that 20 inches by 2 and you're going to have a skirt full length of 40 inches. This is because this skirt pattern is not going to have a lining and we need to make the bubble gathers with the same fabric. So I'm going to show you exactly why you need to multiply the full length by 2. So like I said, for example, if your skirt desired length is 20 inches, you're going to multiply 20 by 2 and you're going to have a full length of 40 inches. So let's start drafting our full circle. So to draft the full circle, you have to get your pattern paper, fold it at the center like I am doing, give it one fold. Again, you're going to fold it and give it a second fold. So this is the fold number 2. I'm just going to fold it. And then remember, I showed you how to calculate your waist radius using the formula waist circumference divided by 6.28. So whatever radius you get, don't place it on this opening where there are 4 openings, but place it on this side where it is enclosed. So get your measuring tape and the radius that you calculated and mark it over here. So guys, this is just a pattern drafting tutorial. These are not actual measurements of a real person. This is just for illustration. That's why you're seeing smaller figures. So this is the radius. This is how you mark your radius. Then for the full length, I said you have to multiply it by 2. And I repeat, these are not actual human measurements. This is just a tutorial. So this is why you put your full length by 2. For example, if this full length was 1.5, I'm going to multiply 1.5 by 2 and use about 3 inches. So whatever your desired full length multiplied by 2 is what you're going to start marking and rotating as shown. Then you're going to connect the points together, and then we're going to cut out our radius for the waist and our full length radius. So I'm just going to get my pair of scissors and trim off, as you can see me do. So we trimmed off the first one and now we're trimming off the second one. Then the next thing you need to do is notch the sides. Very important. It's going to help us when making the gathered in future. I'll show you what I mean. This is very important. You're going to see when... Okay, let me just open it for you. So this is how the full circle looks like, and these are the notches, the 4 notches that we made. So the outer full skirt is going to be gathered. Then we're going to drop our skirt to touch on each knot like I have done. Then you make the gathers and place the other one on this other like so. Then place the other one like I am doing and the other one. Then make the gathers around the gathers and stitch it around the waistline. Then once you're done, you're going to have beautiful bubble circle skirts like this one.